Are you making mistakes right now that could totally ruin your 2024 going forward? I'm going to break down several common lifestyle mistakes that might be sabotaging your success and showing you how to fix them fast. Stay with me, because these small changes could make or break your year. Look, it's not about making giant life-changing resolutions. It's about fixing the little things you're doing every single day that are holding you back. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with practical solutions to finally overcome these common mistakes and unlock your potential in 2024 and beyond. Let's start with something we all do: hitting the snooze button. It feels harmless, but it sets a tone of procrastination for your entire day. When you keep delaying your wake-up time, you're telling your brain it's okay to delay everything else too. So, fix it by setting your alarm for when you actually plan to wake up and get up right away. You'll start your day with intention instead of falling into laziness. Another huge motivation killer: mindlessly scrolling through social media first thing in the morning. This is a trap. You start comparing your life to others, feel bad about yourself, and it's downhill from there. Try replacing that habit with 10 minutes of stretching or reading something inspiring. It's a game changer for your mindset. How much time do you waste on things that don't really matter? One of the biggest mistakes is failing to prioritize. We often spend hours on tasks that don't move us toward our goals, whether it's endless emails or unnecessary errands. The fix? Time blocking. Create clear windows of time for your most important tasks and avoid distractions during those hours. Another time waster? Multitasking. You think you're being productive, but really, you're just doing everything poorly. Instead, focus on one task at a time, finish it, and move on. Let's talk about negative self-talk. It's subtle but deadly. You might think you're just being realistic when you say things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never reach that goal." But what you're actually doing is sabotaging your own confidence. The fix? Start practicing positive affirmations. It sounds cliche, but trust me, when you consciously replace negative thoughts with empowering ones, your actions will follow. And here's another emotional mistake: holding on to grudges. Carrying resentment drags your energy down. If you're still angry at someone from a year ago, that emotional weight is keeping you stuck. It's time to let go and focus on yourself, not the past. How many of you skip breakfast or rely on caffeine to get through the day? That's a huge mistake. When you fuel your body with junk or nothing at all, you're setting yourself up for an energy crash. Fix it by incorporating nutritious, energy-boosting foods into your routine. Think complex carbs, lean protein, and lots of water. Your body needs fuel to perform. Another overlooked mistake? Not getting enough sleep. You might think you can survive on 5 hours a night, but trust me, lack of sleep destroys your focus, your mood, and even your immune system. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of good quality rest. Your productivity will skyrocket. One of the most overlooked mistakes we make is surrounding ourselves with toxic people. Whether it's negative friends, unsupportive family members, or draining colleagues, these people can sabotage your success just by being around. The fix? Start setting clear boundaries and distance yourself from anyone who brings you down. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And speaking of relationships, don't forget to nurture the good ones. Often, we neglect our closest friends and loved ones in the hustle of life. Take time to invest in the people who lift you up. They are your biggest support system. So, what's the big takeaway? These lifestyle mistakes might seem small, but they're adding up and holding you back. By recognizing them and making just a few small changes, you can transform your future. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional and making choices that align with your goals. Fix the little things and the big results will follow. Now it's your turn. Are you making any of these mistakes? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to tackle first. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on crushing your goals this year and beyond.